I think I've been asked about 1,000 times if TikTok pays money to creators. And the second most common question that I get is how much do TikTok creators make? We're going to break it all down in this video. Plus, I've got some awesome resources that you're going to absolutely love directly related to TikTok. Let's cue that intro. And while the intro is playing, comment your TikTok handle below. Let's do this. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist, TikTok expert. I actually own a digital marketing agency and I teach people all about social media. Now, I've had some awesome success on TikTok, probably actually not that much compared to some of you guys who are watching this now today. I have currently over 260,000 followers. Every month I get millions of views. Actually, every week I get millions of views on my TikTok videos. Some of my favorite milestones include a 3 million video view day, a single video reaching 6 million views, and I've even had some awesome, really cool people that I've admired for years who follow me on TikTok, which isn't too bad for a mom of 3 over the age of 30. Now, a question that I get all the time is how much does TikTok pay me? How much does TikTok pay creators? How much do TikTok creators make? And so I'm going to share with you guys the real truth behind it, nothing held back. Now, this is kind of tough to swallow because I get millions of views per week, millions of views, multiple millions of views per month. And of course, my top viewed video is 6 million views over the course of, I want to say, 1 month. Now, how much has TikTok paid me? Big fat zero, absolutely nothing. Now, this is really kind of tough pill to swallow for people. TikTok actually does not pay their creators. Creators don't make anything just for creating. It's not like on YouTube where you get AdSense or revenue from ads being played during your videos. Because on TikTok, ads show in between videos on the feed. That being said, there are some things in the works, and there may come a point where TikTok does pay creators to get them to stay on this platform even longer and build their following there. Will it happen? I don't know. I think it'd be awesome. Now, some of the biggest creators on TikTok may be sponsored by TikTok itself, but I can neither confirm nor deny that. It's just a theory, a very strong theory that I have. However, behind the scenes, there is the TikTok Creator Marketplace, which is one way that you can secure big and awesome sponsorships. Now, if you're looking for different ways to secure sponsorships and make money on TikTok, you're going to want to check out this video, how people make millions of dollars on TikTok. As your TikTok following grows, your views continue to grow. I know for me, I got this invitation to join the TikTok Creator Marketplace at about 225,000 followers. That is where you are invited to this marketplace, which is basically approved creators that TikTok puts in front of sponsors, meaning behind the scenes, big brands, ones you've heard of, are looking to hire influencers. And so you may get offers inside of the app, which is really, really cool. I've gotten some amazing partnerships through the TikTok Creator Marketplace. It's a very powerful tool. I absolutely love it. I think it's great for my brand. It's great for my bank account. So there is a way to make money directly from TikTok just by becoming an influencer. But those invitations are sent out subjectively, not objectively, meaning there isn't some set number of followers that you need in order to make it happen. The other big thing that I want to discourage anyone considering this from doing is don't buy followers to pad your influence on the platform. And here's why. TikTok looks at your behind the scenes analytics and they're going to check out what your engagement looks like before they refer you to a brand or a sponsorship, or before they even invite you to the TikTok Creator Marketplace. So I know that this has been a little disappointing, but I had to share the truth because I didn't want anyone to get false impressions about how much money you can make directly from TikTok itself. But I put together a few resources for you guys beneath this video, including my free TikTok starter pack that will help you to get to your first or your next 1,000 followers on TikTok. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I put out awesome videos about business, social media, and especially about TikTok every single week. I will catch you guys in the next video.